In a quiet village surrounded by tall mountains, a girl named Anna lives with her grandmother. One day, Anna finds a mysterious old box in the attic. The box has a strange symbol on it, and it is locked with no key in sight. Curious, Anna asks her grandmother about it, but the old woman only smiles and says, "You must find the key yourself." Anna begins searching the village for the key, asking the villagers if they know anything about the old box. Along the way, she meets a kind baker who gives her a small golden coin, saying it might help her on her journey. She also meets a woodcutter who tells her of a hidden cave in the mountains where old secrets are kept. Determined to find the key, Anna sets off on an adventure. She climbs the mountain and finds the hidden cave. Inside, she discovers ancient drawings on the walls and a tiny, sparkling key lying on a stone altar. When Anna picks up the key, a warm light fills the cave, and she hears a gentle voice saying, "This key opens more than just the box." Anna returns home and opens the box with the key. Inside, she finds a collection of old letters, pictures, and a small glowing stone. The letters reveal stories from her grandmother's past, telling of great adventures, lost friends, and the magical stone that brings peace to the one who holds it. The stone's glow fills Anna with a deep sense of calm and happiness. Anna realizes that the real treasure is not just the items in the box, but the stories and memories they hold.